If you could do something that raises the profile of your organisation, helps develop skills for your people, improves teamwork and also drives employee engagement, you'd probably want to give that a go. If you could also hand over all the hassle of the organisation, logistics, to a third party, that'd be even better, wouldn't it? And if you could also, as well as doing all that, really improve lives for people in the communities where you're based and which you work, then why wouldn't you do it?
A programme like Manchester Cares provides a very good vehicle through which businesses can support community organisations of any size, from very small groups of maybe just 5 local people up to very big community organisations with up to 20, 25 staff. The range of support which can be delivered is through various forms. That can be through in-kind support. It's about businesses giving their expertise, their time, their volunteers' time, and again this can range from just projects like painting and decorating training room up to spending say 20-25 hours on a project management type exercise.
Hi, I'm Janet from the Tree of Life Centre in Wythenshawe, which as most people will know is a deprived area of Manchester. We would not have been able to develop without the support of business in the community, and I can't recommend them highly enough. The variety of work they do, their friendliness, their warmth, their support, their competence, their abilities. I think I'll stop praising them now, otherwise they'll get very big-headed, but they are a really good organisation to know, and I'm very pleased to have been associated with them.
Our project was an allotment, and we wanted this created, designed and built at Manchester Academy in this very nice little bit of land that we'd got. And because of business in the community, they were able to link us up with Pinsent Masons and Marks and Clark. And they came, gave up their time, sometime on a Saturday and sometime during the week, to help build this wonderful, wonderful allotment. Projects like this are vital to the young people of my community at Manchester Academy. Without the support and partnership of business in the community, important projects like this would not take place, and it is this partnership that's helping our young people to flourish.
My name's Wayne Holt and I work for TD Waterhouse in Manchester, and I was recently the team leader for a project in St Paul's Primary School to develop an African garden for their larger school field that they have at the back of the school. This was one of the projects arranged by business in the community who carry out the liaison between the schools and businesses that are interested in getting involved in these projects. Obviously it's very difficult for companies who want to become involved with projects in the community to know who needs what and where, and I think business in the community provide an invaluable link in terms of setting up the relationship between the donors and the recipients, as it were, in this case. Certainly if on the sort of scale that they do it, it's a very valuable service.
Evershed gets involved in community projects because primarily it's something that our people want to do. They want to be given or have the opportunity to give something back to their local communities, but also I think it's the opportunity to develop their own skills, their leadership, mentoring skills away from the office, outside of that environment, and to build some relations with some people in the office that they may not generally work with. The benefits of working with business in the community is that when we started out on this venture of trying to sort of do community projects, they were able to sort of make it very accessible, very easy for us to get involved. But over time, as a business, we've got more confident in delivering community projects. Our relationship has evolved, and they are able to put us in touch with community organisations that want to build longer-term relationships rather than just sort of one-off projects.
One of the hardest things I think for us as a primary school is trying to bridge the gap to try and find businesses, especially large businesses, to help us. Obviously from our point of view as a school we're very busy, and for us businesses are obviously very busy as well, so we wouldn't really kind of just knock on the door of a business and say, could you come and help us build something. I don't think it's something any primary school would do really, so business in the community were really good in a way of like bridging the gap between us and Grant Thornton.
They helped through the whole process. It was they guide you along the kind of things that they want you to do. They give you all the risk assessment details, all that kind of background work is all done by business in the community, which makes it so much easier, I think, from both sides, really. It couldn't, I don't think many of these projects would happen if it wasn't for business in the community. And we find it quite enriching from our point of view, because it's good for team building. It gets people out of the office and makes them feel like they're giving something back.
Why business in the community has been really good for us is the fact that it's provided something that we don't have the funds to provide for our children. It's an enhancement of what we can provide in the curriculum. It's been the opportunity to utilise skills and strengths that perhaps we don't have amongst our staff, and also for our staff to share some of the skills with the team that came out to our school. It's also been an opportunity for children to be inspired and to be motivated and to enjoy being at school, and it created a sense of fun, comradeship as my staff and the business community staff work together.
Hi, my name's Louise Hanlon and I work at Bupa, delivering the corporate responsibility initiatives across our Bupa group. It's really important for us as a business to engage in the community, providing volunteering opportunities for our employees. After all, our business is about health and well-being and providing opportunities for people to live longer and have better lives. Working with business in the community is an absolute pleasure. It provides us with a fantastic platform of reaching out to local people and local communities where, as an organisation, we can really make a difference. Having worked with business in the community for over the last 7 or 8 years, equally it has provided us with a fantastic network of other corporate companies and a fantastic network of community partners where we can ensure as a business that we continue to sustain that healthy relationship.